for the best. Let's go.
Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whenever you're watching this video. This is your friend Devase and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fill Your Own Will. As you saw the video, in today's video, I'm about to introduce you to the loudest Continental GT 650 of this town. And the reason why this motorcycle is the loudest GT 650 because this GT650 is equipped with aftermarket exhaust. Since the very first day when I saw this motorcycle, I was really excited to show this motorcycle to you guys. So I'm not gonna waste much time. Sit back, enjoy this video. But before that, let's roll the intro.
Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again.
Whenever you hear about word Royal Enfield, the only thing comes to your mind is this: a classic bulkier design, the identical sound from the engine, and tons of vibration on your handlebars and rear view mirrors. But this time, they have done it completely different. Because this one has a brand new 648cc parallel twin engine which produces 47 bhp of power and 52 Nm of massive torque. But these numbers doesn't matter as you swing your legs on it. It doesn't feel like at all that you're riding a Royal Enfield motorcycle. But now let's talk about the most amazing thing about this particular motorcycle, which is an exhaust note. Although the parallel twin cylinders in this GT sounds super awesome, but as this one is equipped with an aftermarket exhaust from AEW India, it creates an utter symphony. No matter at what speed you're riding this motorcycle, but the engine remains easy and friendly at all the time. The power delivery through the 6-speed slick gearbox is thoroughly linear and smooth at all the points. The sitting posture in this motorcycle is a lot sportier and the foot pegs are set a bit higher and on the rear side. But it is not as uncomfortable as the previous generation Continental GT 500, if you remember that motorcycle. The riding posture on this motorcycle is a perfect mixture of aggression and comfort. You'll be sitting on this motorcycle little bit leaned forward so that you can anchor yourself easily in case of hard braking or an immense acceleration. In terms of braking department, this motorcycle has a huge disc brake at front and back, and it comes with a dual channel ABS as standard. So no matter at what speed you are cruising on an open highway, you can drop the anchor at any moment and you can stop the motorcycle with ease without having any tire locking drama. Now if we talk about the electronics on this motorcycle, then the only electronic feature this motorcycle has is dual channel ABS. Unlike other 600cc motorcycles, it does not have a traction control or a wheelie control or a quick shifter. But there is a reason why this motorcycle is called a classic cafe racer. And the way this motorcycle handles bad roads and potholes, I won't be surprised if I'll see people doing a long mile road trips on this motorcycle. So that was all for the today's video guys. If you have liked this video, then please press the like button below, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay tuned for the next video.
Shit later.